You searched how to buy shares of Silynxcom Ltd, and this is a concise educational walkthrough. Silynxcom Ltd is a telecommunications equipment company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SYNX. This video is for education and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with a government ID and add funds to your wallet before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SYNX to find the listing. Make sure you select the Silynxcom Ltd entry listed on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ SYNX ticker to ensure this is the correct stock for purchase. Tap the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.